Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can set your birthday in Hilokal language exchange app. So here you can see I'm the homepage of Hilokal. So simply we need to click here. You can see the option, and this option right bottom corner on your screen, it's called profile icon. So simply click on this. So once you click on this, then you'll see it's your profile. Then we need to scroll down. Now scroll down, here you can see the pencil icon, this option. So simply click on pencil. Once you click on pencil, then you have to scroll down, then you can see birthday. Type your birthday, simply click on that, and you can give your birthday here. So I'm just giving randomly, like something like that, and set and OK, and your birthday will be set. And then you have to go upper, and then you can see option save. Simply click on save. Then so you can only change your birthday once. Do you want to change it? So if you confirm that, you will not able to change your birthday again. That's why you have to set your birthday correctly or wisely. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.